Your attention, please.
What is shaking, everyone? Welcome back. I know I haven't posted anything this last week or so. I've been extremely busy. Last night, or yesterday, was my birthday. I spent most of the day playing golf. I was gonna try to film last night, and then I nearly cut my thumb off. So that kind of derailed everything from there. But going forward, we're gonna get back on schedule here. It's just been the last 2 weeks. It's just been crazy. So I wanted to catch up on some things Disneyland, some things what the future might hold for us here. So I guess I got to start with, if you've been at the park recently, you may have noticed that Soundsational Parade has disappeared. It is gone. It is done. Soundsational Parade is no more a Disneyland staple. It's no longer there. So until August 1st, they're having the Mickey and Friends Band-tastic Cavalcade, which is very similar to Walt Disney World's Rainy Day Cavalcade when the rain shuts down the parade. It's just Mickey and Friends walking down with the band. They're just going to walk, interact, stop, play a little bit, keep moving down along the parade route. So that's a nice little substitute, a nice little filler until the actual parade comes in, next spring, next summer. So it's going to be a bunch of little parades filling in from here and there. Like I said, this cavalcade is until August 1st. August 2nd through September 30th is the Main Street Electrical Parade, and that lines up with Halloween next, then the Christmas holiday parade. So it's all lining up nicely to have little filler parades until that parade is all set and ready come late spring, early summer of 2020. I'm just going to go out and say it. Yes, this is my backyard. It is a beautiful day, and it doesn't help when you go to make a video, make a vlog, and every single one of your cameras doesn't want to work. I was going to do a little gimbal test for you guys today, do a little vlog with it, see how it all works out. But when every single battery you have for some reason just did not want to work, you improvise. It's a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but we can survive. As I kind of mentioned, this video will be a little bit of a mashup, just kind of thrown together. I got a whole bunch of ideas, but nothing warranting a whole separate video quite yet. So my first question, we did the parade. So my first question is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge a success? Is it a success in your opinion? Because just a couple of days ago, Millennium Falcon had its 1 millionth rider, or 1 millionth ride. You could kind of say, some people have ridden it like 10 times, so does that really count? But it's gone around its circuit 1 million times already, and it's only been 6 weeks. So obviously it's a success. It's drawing people in. But is it truly a success because it's driving everybody out of the park? If you've seen any of our videos the last couple weeks, you will have seen the video where Disneyland is empty. It is essentially a ghost town. So is Galaxy's Edge really a success if it's really hurting Disneyland as a whole? Because the land itself, I believe, is a success because it has been full, it has been crowded, and people have loved it. But for the Disneyland brand, for Disneyland as a whole, is Galaxy's Edge a success if it is running out everybody else? Make sure to leave your comment on that down below. Also, leave your comment about the parades. Do you like how it's going to kind of be a sporadic, almost seasonal in a way, where it's small, short little parades, kind of, just waiting until that big parade comes? And again, leave your comment. Do you believe Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is a success? And let's break it into two parts. Is it a success for Galaxy's Edge? And is it a success for Disneyland? Because the second option, I think Galaxy's Edge is a huge fail for Disneyland Park. So last but not least, I wanted to let you know what we've got planned, what we've got coming up, because we've got a whole bunch of countdowns that are coming. Things are getting close, and we need to catch you up on what is coming up. So first off, here in just a couple of weeks, in less than a month, we will be back in Disneyland for an entire week. We will be there for 7 days. That's in the park for 7 days. We want to know what you guys want to see. What do you guys want us to film? What do you want to see? What do you want us to film? Is there any foods you want us to try? Is there anything new that we might not know about, we haven't talked about, that you want us to see, that you want us to film? Are there any attractions that we never film, never check out, never do, that you want to see? Because I have this brand new gimbal, and I can't wait to break it out, try it out, and we'll see just how amazing these videos can become. So let us know what you want us to film see, try, check out. If you want us to do a hotel tour, let us know. And the only way that we will find out that you want to do that is if you leave a comment down below. Now this next one is a little bit farther out. That is in November. We've talked about it. Some of you might have remembered, but in November we are headed to Walt Disney World. We will be there for 8 days. 8 long, hot days, but we are super excited. If we didn't want to be there for 8 days, we wouldn't have made the reservation. We wouldn't have booked this trip. So we are super excited for the length of this trip because there's a lot of things we did not do last year that we're hoping to be able to do this time around. So if there's anything, if you've seen our Walt Disney World videos from last year, if we miss anything, let us know so we don't miss them again. We know it's a big resort. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of things to see. But we're going to try our best to do everything and to share that with you all. So if there's anything we missed from our trips last year, don't hesitate. Please leave your comments. Let us know because we want to see everything. We want to do everything. And that's just how we roll. We want to experience, absorb everything Disney. We're not all about the rides. We're not all about the food. We're about the ambiance. So if there's anything that we missed that we need to do, we need to see, please let us know. So that is going to do it for today. As you can see, the dogs have come out. They know I'm getting ready for work. I have to go get ready for work. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when other videos like this or other park adventure videos are uploaded. And as always, if you are at any of the Disney parks, tell Mickey and Minnie I say hi. Remember, just about a month, I'll be back in Disneyland. So I will see you all a little later.